everyone, welcome to my channel. Since I'm completely new to clay, I wanted to start with some simple and beginner-friendly supplies. So, let's take a look at everything I picked up to start my clay journey. First, I got this detail knife. It's useful for cutting clay, trimming edges, and adding more precise details to small projects. It also came with 5 extra replacement blades, so I can easily change the blade when the one I'm using gets dull. Next, I got this 5-piece wooden clay tool set. Each tool has a different purpose. So let me quickly show you what I'll be using them for. This is the loop tool. It can be used for removing excess clay, carving, and refining the shape of a piece. This flat tool is useful for pressing, smoothing, and shaping the clay. This serrated edge can create textured marks and interesting patterns on the clay. The pointed tool is perfect for making small holes, fine lines, and tiny details. And this angled tool can be useful for cutting, trimming, and shaping smaller areas. I think this little set gives me a good variety of tools to experiment with as I learn. I also picked up these double-ended ball stylus tools. They're great for making small indentations, rounded details, and little patterns in clay. I also picked up this basic set of artist brushes for my clay projects. This fan brush can be useful for creating soft textures and interesting effects. This flat brush is useful for covering larger areas and creating clean, even strokes. And this smaller brush is perfect for more detailed painting. These pointed round brushes are great for fine details, small areas, and precise painting. So this little brush set gives me a few different options for painting my clay projects. I also picked up this set of primary acrylic colors from Bluebird Art. I'm just starting out. I wanted to keep my color palette simple, and here are the different shades of our primary color. I can mix different shades and create more colors for my clay projects. And of course, I couldn't skip the pastel shades. I love soft colors, so I'm really excited to use these for cute and aesthetic clay projects. I also got a larger bottle of white acrylic paint because I know I'll be using white quite a lot. It'll be useful for mixing colors and adding little details to my projects. I also got an acrylic gloss varnish to give my finished pieces a smooth, shiny look. I'm excited to see how it looks on my first clay projects. And finally, the most important part, my clay. I got this Montmartre air hardening modeling clay in white, 500 grams. The clay feels really soft and it's super smooth. I'm new to clay. I thought this would be a good one to start practicing with. And because it's air hardening, I don't need an oven to cure it. One more important thing I learned about air drying clay is that once you open the package, you should keep the remaining clay tightly sealed in an airtight container or bag. This helps prevent the clay from drying out so I can keep using it for my next projects. And of course, I had to test the clay before ending the video. Okay, let's try making something with the clay and see how it feels to work with. So here's my very first little clayfish. It definitely needs some practice, but I'm actually pretty happy with it. And that's everything I got for my first clay shopping. Now I'm finally ready to start creating. I can't wait to see what I make. I'm really excited to see what I can make. So, bye for now.